So I saw a comment recently, and it's very much true when it comes to foldable phones and devices, is that the biggest problem is durability, right? And that's the biggest thing that keeps people away. Price tags does keep people away to a certain degree, but if durability was amazingly more, price tag really wouldn't keep people away as much as it does. If these phones were crazy durable, where no matter what happened, you literally could not break this phone, then the price tag, while yes, it's high, it wouldn't really push people away as much as the fact that if the durability isn't that great, then it's going to push everyone away because they don't want to buy a phone that, you know, they spent $1,800 on and then next week later it could break, right? Or they could break it themselves, so if they give it to a kid and kid uses it, or fingernails, whatever the case, right? So, as long as foldable phones come out, there will always be channels like this, Jerry Rig Everything, which I absolutely love his channel, by the way. Absolutely amazing channel. But he puts these smartphones to the ultimate test. And I mean, he puts them above and beyond any type of test that you could ever think of. And right here he's showing the Z Fold 4 dust resistance, where he's putting rocks and sand all over a Z Fold 4, crunching it up to see will it actually survive. And with the most recent leaks of the Z Fold 5 being dust resistance, that actually has an IPX68 rating, well, a lot of people are like, listen, at the end of the day, this type of content right here is going to stop people from buying the phone. Because even if that phone is absolutely god tier, right, it has a great dust resistance, this stuff that he's doing, nothing is going to stop it when it comes to any foldable phone, right? At the end of the day, even if you have the best dust resistance possible, when you have this much sand and rocks and everything on the display, it's going to crack the display, it's going to break the display, and it's going to get dust in there. So, and you might say, for the most part, well, why does that matter? Because nobody watching this video right now who owns a foldable phone is going to do that. The point is that the point is, you know, we want to see foldable phones but come to a point where they're, you know, crazy out there, right? Crazy market out there. Crazy amount of people want these foldable phones. A crazy amount of people are going after these foldable phones. And this will always be the drawback. Somebody will look up the brand new Z Fold 5 and let's say 10-20% of the community who buys, or 10-20% of people in the world will see this kind of video and go, not buying it. I can't spend $1,800 when, what if this happens to me? I know it might sound idiotic, but in general, a lot of people are idiotic. And they watch these type of videos and go, oh, no, can't do it, can't do it. You see, that phone's not durable. $1,800, that phone's not durable. That man just put a simple amount of everyday sand and rocks into his phone, and it broke. Or the IP68 resistance, oh, but you see, he put all those rocks and sand in there, and the sand a little bit got in. So clearly it's not perfect, and clearly I'm not spending $1,800. Again, I'm not saying anything wrong with these type of videos. Obviously, these videos, you know, are, for all intents and purposes, just to destroy the phone. They're like durability tests, but reality-wise, the point of these is to destroy the phone. But it will always be the drawback, you know, because you look at his other videos when he takes normal cell phones, like a Galaxy S23 Ultra or an iPhone, and they don't destroy like that, right? They're very durable. And that keeps more people like, okay, well, I'd rather get those phones because those phones aren't going to break as easy, while these phones are going to break really easily if you do these extreme tests. I know it might sound crazy that, you know, people would ever think like that when it comes to these phones, because clearly, you know, he's putting extreme tests on them, but it is what it is. And this will always be a drawback of foldable phones, is that durability will never be something that we can fully get in control of, right? So, just want to make this video today. I thought it would be an interesting subject to talk about. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.